right, guys, this is a dangerously close shot, and I apologize, but I wanted to show you I'm just about 4 days in to growing out the beard. And I wanted to talk about how I'm putting a nice foundation down to avoid the beard itch and to actually make sure the beard comes in nice and smooth and thick with no problems. So first off, I'm starting with CREMO Beard and Face Wash, guys. Now, as the beard grows longer, probably about 2 weeks in, you know, that hair will start to trap dirt, and you really need to manage the beard. You really need to keep it clean. So this all-in-one beard and face wash is gentle enough to use every day. I use it in the shower. It's got a nice minty smell to it. Another part of the foundation is this beard and scruff cream. Now, this helps to moisturize the beard and soften as well on short stubble. So perfect for this point where I'm starting to grow the beard. Another great product from CREMO. Finally, a nice base for that new beard is beard oil. It's essential, guys. Again, coats the beard, coats the individual bristles, and helps with beard itch, and also just keeps that beard nice and moisturized and ready to rock and roll. Now, I'm really excited to get the full beard going. I've made a commitment to keep this on for at least a month. And I've been loving your comments. Keep the beard, don't keep the beard, have the goatee, do the mustache. Keep your comments coming, guys. In fact, one of the comments tickled me to death. It was my boy Pedro. And he's like, Tony, what are you gonna do now? You have a shaving show. What, are you gonna hire somebody to stand in? And I was like,
oh shit, I never thought of that. Oh no. I might have lost all my subscribers.
I'm not gonna do it. I'll see you clowns next time with some more beard care stuff. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play.
Go ahead, buddy, go.